Hi, Amani.
It's a stopwatch.
Have you got a surprise today? Ooh, I wonder what's in that box.
To open it.
Shall we open it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, open it.
Oh, it's this.
What is it, Amani? Oh, wow. Check it out, guys. What is it? It's a pink cashier center.
That's what you was gonna order me.
Wow. Do you like it?
I like it.
Yay.
What's this?
Ooh, check it out. Let's have a look. 5-star toys, cashier center. Wow, it's got the cash register. Look, I think there's got batteries inside it. Interactive cash register. It's got lights and sounds, battery operated. Ooh, check it out. This is the back of the box. Ooh, it's got a key as well for the cash drawer. And I think it's got some fruits and veg. And a scanner. Yay! Shall we open it, Amani? Let's open it.
Open it.
Whoa! Check it out, guys. Pull. Whoa.
Hey, look, this can be for my rabbit.
Oh, look at this, Amani. Wow, lots of cash register toys. Fruits and veg. Check this out. Look, you got a pink basket with fruits and veg. What's that? That's the pink scanner. There's the pink scanner.
Yeah.
And this is the cash register, and it's also pink. Yay! Check it out. So Amani, it takes 3 AA batteries. Look, put the last one in. Hey Amani, your pink cash register, what did it come with? Wow, it's come with a calling card. Check it out. It's come with some fruits and veg in a pink basket. Look, lemon. What fruits have you got, Amani? What vegetables have you got? Look, lemon,
Lemon.
grape,
Lemon, grape, pepper, and corn.
well done!
That's
Yay! Hey. And oh, has it got lots of money as well? Look, guys, it's got 10 euros, 20 euros, 50 euros, and 5 euros.
No! 10 euros, 20 euros, 30 euros, 40 euros.
Yeah, check it out. And it makes a beeping sound. Look, it flashes.
Oh.
Okay, let's play a game. I would like to come to your shop, Amani. You're the shopkeeper. I'm going to buy some fruits and veg from you at the supermarket, okay? Can I have the butterfly one, Amani?
You can have 2 bookmarks.
Oh, thank you. Can I just add whatever I want into the
Yeah,
basket?
you can add all of the things if you
Aubergine,
like.
pepper, sweet corn, carrot, and I would also like to buy some grapes. Yeah. Oh, can I also buy 1 egg, please?
All of it, all of it.
All of it? I can't afford all of it. Whoa. I'm so hungry today. I've got lots of food. Okay, I'm coming to the shop to buy. Hi, shopkeeper. I've bought lots of fruits and veg.
Here, look, it's just this pound. So, it's 96 pounds.
Okay, Amani, can you scan all these food items, please?
It's £1 and 3, and then 9, and then 7, and then all of these numbers. There we go.
I've got lots of food items left. Can you scan them for me, please? How much is that, shopkeeper? How much do I owe you? Can you calculate, please?
5, 9, 7, 0,
Do I owe you 75 euros?
Yeah.
Okay. That is 50.
No, 5. You have to count something.
Another 20. That's 70. And this is the 5.
Oh, look. 5.
75 euros. There you go.
Yeah, and now.
And can you give me some change?
4,
Can you give me some change for 10 pounds?
6. To take home.
Thank you. Yay. Thank you very much. Can I have my shopping basket, please?
Yeah, you can take it home.
Thank you very much. Yay. I've got lots of yummy food.
It is now unlocked. The shop is closing. Bye guys, the shop is closed now.